Ising na matamis na tutubing naglalampi. Kasi lambot na lumukot. Kasi lambot na lumukot ng malumay na sinabi. So, it's all about pop or that. So, now we do the novel. So, novel is very Japanese music. So there are also different here about some of the write-ups or novels during that time. So we have Samundol, Pangarap, Pamela, Magandang Sidahan, Luzon ang Great Act, Tatlong Mariana, Tatlong Maria, which was recently became like documented. It was the movie na Tatlong Maria. So that was novel. So we have the essay here. The essay where we found so that we have our essay here. Santos, Ricayado, and Pagulira. So they are the famous SPS during the Japanese literature era. Now, even the Japanese were in contact with English, but it doesn't mean that it is one totally one. Because there are some writers who, advocated in writing in Greek. There are famous writers in English. So we have Federico Lopez, Nathaniel and Arjuniada. So much in this picture in English. But most of the writers fled to US, fled to US, they hide from Japanese their right up were collated or put into some publications in US, like Scholars for America, Letters for America in 1942. We also have I Saw the Fall of Philippines and Mother America. So there are many write-ups of Filipino writers before during the Japanese occupation. So I think that's the one.